Omar bin Khattab, God be pleased with him, says, "We were sitting in the company of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, when suddenly a man arrived. He was wearing clean white clothes, and his hair was jet black. He did not look as though he were a traveler, and he was not known to any of us. He sat down close to the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, his knees touching the ladders. He said, 'Tell me something about faith.' The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, replied, 'Faith is that you should believe in Allah, His angels, His books, and His prophets, that you should believe in the Day of Judgment, and that you should believe in the divine laws relating to good and evil,